field where my horses were years ago. And one of the ingredients in that repellent is a chemical called lauryl sodium sulfate. And it is used as a foaming agent. It's in almost every shampoo, almost every cleaner on the market. Now, there's lots of new cleaners that say no lauryl sodium sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate. And those are the ones you want to get because this agent is used in testing. It's an eye irritant, a horrible eye irritant. It made the horse's eyes cloudy for 3 months. I was absolutely blurred vision for almost 6 months in my left eye after this exposure. And people don't know it, but it's not a good thing to have around. So if you can choose something different, that'd be good. The other thing is really surprised me was how to kill ants. And the spray for ants is so horribly toxic, most of it. But they die very rapidly if you put saccharin out. And there's other ways. If you go to there's a wonderful website, pesticide.org, and there's categories of every pest you could encounter and natural ways of getting rid of them. And I'll tell you right now, many of the natural ways are better because every pest develops a tolerance to something if it's a chemical you're using over time. And even the ants, you know. So that's a great place to find tips on what to use. The other things that I would recommend to people when I was going for surgery and I had drivers, they stopped at a washroom and went in and used that chemical pink soap, you know, in the gas station washrooms. I couldn't go to surgery because I started having seizures from whatever was in that soap, and the fragrance is so strong.
Well, also,
you're right. Those are just some, you know, little tips on things you might not know that you could check into.